Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 21, 22. I'm at BJ's. We're grocery shopping, but music is playing in here, so I'm not gonna vlog a lot. So I'm just here to open the vlog to say welcome to Vlogmas Day 22, and we're getting food, girls. We're gonna go home. I just wanna what we get. Tell me. I shall watch something as usual. Alright guys, so I'm back. Honestly, I'm tired and I'm off from work and it's like me just, I don't know, probably sleep too much. But anyways, I'm back and I'm about to start the stuff that I bought from BJ's in the fridge. If you're interested to see what those things are, continue watching, stay tuned. Oh, but first I'm gonna show you all my fridge empty. Recession, I take my fridge. So now and then you have to have a little Kit Kat. That's mayo. I love that brand mayo. Oh, yeah, it is very tasty. Regular something soda. If you have soda in your fridge, if you don't have soda in your fridge, what you doing? Peanut butter, butter, milk, water, cabbage. Oh my god, I see too. I'm going to make the smoothie today now. Them can still make smoothie, not true, them not dry up that bad. Alright, so I'm gonna make smoothie, and I think I want egg or 2 egg left in that. But water, seltzer water, 2 pieces of dry up seasoning down your sushi, pepper, yeah, and so you got the spinach leaf back, celery. Oh my god, these are the bomb.com. Them have them in a mango flavor. Well, I love the mango and the peach. Them have banana, vanilla flavor, but I like that. So yeah, this is something ever in my eye. Jesus. Anyways, guys, come see what I gonna put in my fridge. Healthy stuff. Everything on the healthy. Cause I have some cheese. I'm gonna make mac and cheese for Christmas, my love. That God not gonna charge me for. I'm gonna start workout soon, so all of that will work off. Okay, you have a living life, my love. And Nana love my mac and cheese, and if I make it for Nana, I'm not be and truth, I'm gonna eat too. Anyways, goodbye guys. Well, not bye, watch me back. Guys, I do not have a particular way to pack them. people. So much orange. But in these days, you have to eat a lot of orange, my love. I love chicken legs, so we buy chicken legs. Oh my god, look at this rich! Alright, so we have the turkey, fries. Ooh, we'll have some crayfish. This will be cooked on Christmas Day. We'll have the chicken leg. I just bought it. Well, it's something. And then that's the fish. You see, I run out the blood my for clean up out there, so these are the fish on my fridge. Yeah, that's all I have in my fridge, people. Anyways, guys, I'm not done yet. I got avocado, but this avocado I put here. It's kind of full. I literally put them on here. So I have onions and stuff up there, and then my little sweet potato. So I'm gonna put ginger over here, so and look at two plants in. Let's see, I'm gonna have and then I have banana. I'm gonna just burst them out of the bag. Burst the banana outside the bag. Sheer mouth. Take shit out of the bag. Ooh, look how pretty and juicy they are. So we can make more smoothie. So that's the banana. I feel like I'm gonna put them here on top of the fridge. It's too crowded. It's illiquid. So I'm gonna put it on top of the fridge right there. That's for Nana. And then I've learned not to put tomatoes in the fridge. Keep them out here. So I'll be putting them right there. Oh, something been up. Looking so beautiful, right? So yeah. Alright guys. Almost put this on the properly. Can't tell I really. Yeah, no, bathroom I sing. Can't not too like a home. We just pick her fast school. And then we'll go BJ's because we know it'll come closer to Christmas and it's gonna be so rushy. So let me get these out of the way, honey. You know what, I'm gonna get coconut milk. I make the little rice and peas, but nothing wrong if you cook little white rice this Christmas. Anyways guys, I'm gonna start black. Oh, I forgot to show you guys these. So I made my honey, garlic, and eucalyptus oil. That's how you pronounce it? How you pronounce it? So I use these honey. This, God bless my mother, she sent up that little back for me. It I done and no more. Watch out and I never see it's finished. For sure us some use it, people, because you see the whole heap of tablet them or something. I no love take pill and something. I like the old natural way. So I'm a cut up garlic. Everybody know a garlic. So what I did was to cut up the garlic, throw it in it. I'm getting like a container here, Dollar Tree. So the Dollar Tree helpful and the cover seal in a hard for open. When I normally make it in a, like the plastic usually hard for open. This now not hard for open. And this is me and Nana's medicine. And then I throw my little eucalyptus oil in there. Only spin it around, make it sit for a day, and then good to go, my love. Yeah. And it works. Sometimes I squeeze lemon in there, but this trip I never squeeze the lemon in there because it's my favorite tea here. I love it. It's called a show off day today. I'm showing you guys. I never asked, but still I'm showing. Anyways, people, love and light. Stay blessed, stay sweet. See you guys in Vlogmas day 23. People, it's almost Christmas. I'm so proud of myself. So I'm hang out. Hey, girl, go on, you know. Girl, go on. Call girl post. What if you two look days them we go over in the other day because YouTube will not stress me, but we overcome, my love. I see with their day 22. I go into day 23. Talk about it. Anyways, people, I'm gonna make some tea. Oh, so I'm just turn on my cake over here. My straw them just so I'm gonna make some tea because honestly I'm a bit gassy. And we'll talk. We'll see you guys in day 23. Vlogmas day 23. Until then, be good, be safe. Love yourself, love God. Mwah. What are you gonna do? She's gonna hear her. Bye, guys.